Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your BetOnline account on your computer online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your BetOnline account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address betonline.az and hit on enter. And after that, it'll be directed to the home page of BetOnline. Now let's wait for it over here, guys. Now in order to log into your BetOnline account, over here at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see there is the login button and the join button available for us. Now in order to sign in, just click on the login button, and over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your email address or your account number of your BetOnline account. So let's enter my email address. I'll be proceeding to it, and after that, enter your password, guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, a page will be open where you'll be able to reset your email accounts, your BetOnline accounts password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here. You'll be logged into the BetOnline account in the next step. With that being said, guys, this is how you log into your BetOnline account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.